up is a singing impressionist who finally answers the question, what would it be like if the cast of Family Guy covered Adele?
The answer is brilliant. He won the last semi-final of the week and he's back to try and make it all the way to the Royal Variety performance. It's Craig Ball.
I'm Craig Ball, I'm 24 and I'm from Hertfordshire.
This whole experience has been incredible and I don't want to go back to my day job. A few weeks ago I was working in maintenance. My life has completely changed. Hello!
My semi-final was unbelievable. Yeah, it was an incredible feeling.
Thank you, Oh my God, Craig, I loved every second of that.
Going straight to the final is Craig Ball!
I genuinely feel like I'm in a dream right now.
I was just so proud of my little boy.
Can't believe that I've come from doing voices as a 9-year-old boy to performing on the stage for the Britain's Got Talent final.
I obviously haven't had a lot of time to prepare, so
The pressure tonight is unbelievable and I've just got to nail every voice, this song and hopefully make the public proud.
Ladies and gentlemen, Craig Ball!
We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. We jumped, but never asking why. We kissed, I fell under your spell. A love that no one could deny. Don't you ever say, I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live a life running for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. High up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. It's so absurd you let me burn, and now we're ashes on the ground. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live the life running for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. Like so excuse. I can't believe you made it to the final. Right now, Ricky.
thank you.
Well done. Well done, Craig, don't worry about the slip-up, because that's what happens on live TV. And like I said with an act earlier on in the week, it makes you human, right? Doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you recovered well. And let's forget about this for the moment. I think you are such a great guy. It's such a fun act. It's so original. I absolutely love this act. And I think, even though tiny little mistake, I genuinely believe that the public are going to get behind you. You could be still a dark horse in this competition.
I think people were a little surprised the other night because comedians and funny people don't always do that well on the show, as I can testify to that. But it is a brilliant act. It appeals to everybody, and you're a great guy, and yeah, you recovered brilliantly from those tiny little slip-ups, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, it didn't matter. If anything, it made it more funny, and like Simon said, it makes you human. The act is original, it was different. I think people are going to vote for you tonight. Well done.
Thank you so much.
You are just brilliantly talented, and it must be difficult. You've got like 100 voices in your head. I don't know how you cope with that. But no, you did brilliantly well, and I really hope people vote for you. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Well done. Well done. And in all all honesty, it's been a bit of a whirlwind 48 hours for you, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think I had a couple hours sleep after the semi-finals, and then I was sort of talking to my guy, and I was like, I need to make something for the final. And yeah, all through today, I've been just like in my head, going through the voices. I'm really disappointed I let you guys down, honestly.
No, you didn't. You didn't let me down.
You didn't.
Yeah. You didn't, pal. You did it great.
Brilliantly. Is Craig Ball ready for a royal appointment? If the answer is yes, 0902 44 24 10. From your mobile, call 644 24 10 or vote for free via the app. Voting doesn't open until we've seen the last act of the night.